Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. You're viewing the How To Lady, and this station focuses on how to organize, DIYs, and life hacks. And I love all three of those things. So today we're going to show you how to take care of and wash your artificial hair. Yeah, we're going to show you how we do that and how you will hang it afterwards. So we hope it's something that you'll like. I'm sure you probably already have something in place, but we're going to show you our rendition of it. So with that said, if you see something you like, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, we are going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park.
Hello my YouTube friends. So we are about to cleanse our artificial hair, wigs, lace fronts, or whatever you call it. And these are the items that you will need. You will need, if you remember, I stated that in my hair storage video that you need to keep the label that comes with your artificial unit, because not only does it help you identify what is in that particular container and what type of hair it is, it also provides instructions on how to cleanse that unit. So that's very important. So you definitely want that. You want to use some gentle shampoo, as well as I like to use conditioner afterwards to help with tangles. You need your unit, and then you want to use a clip for drying. So we're getting ready to start the process. As indicated in the instructions, I need to use cool to very low heated water. So right now I'm just trying to rinse as much of the residue out on the wig that's on the wig as possible. So if I've used any sprays or creams, then I'm rinsing that out first and kind of loosening up the hair. Now the importance of not using overheating the hair is that there is a temperature level for synthetic hair. This is a synthetic wig, and I don't want to damage the curls that are there. I don't want to have to go back through and re-curl this unit. So the next thing I'm going to do is use my gentle hair shampoo on this unit, and we're going to just, I like to rub it in with my hands. I'm not doing a lot of tangling. I just get the areas that I find that are most soiled. Make sure that I get in the inside of the cap, because that is the part that is closest to your scalp and you're sweating. Even though you may have a cap protector on it underneath the wig, you want to make sure that you clean that cap, because sweat is still getting on that cap of the wig. So here we go with the cleaning process. And I don't usually take a long time doing this, especially if the wig is not soiled extremely. So I run my fingers through the wig as I'm kind of detangling some of the curls. And I just kind of work my fingers through, and that keeps you from loosening the curls too much, but helping you detangle some of the ends, because I found that the ends of the hair is the area that gets most tangled. So we're gonna get right through this. So I've gone around the perimeter of the wig, making sure that I have loosened a lot of those tangles with my fingers. Okay, now I'm going to rinse the inside of the cap off, making sure that there is no shampoo left on the wig. So it's not suzzing up or anything like that. So that lets me know that the shampoo is about rinsed out of the wig. So I'm going to keep doing that inside cap again. And by the way, this is a lace front synthetic wig. And it states on the instructions that it can take up to about 350 degrees of heat. So I think I'm pretty good with the cool, lukewarm water. All right, so it looks like we've got this unit pretty clean. I'm turning the water off. I drape the unit over the nozzle of the sink, and I take a little bit of the conditioner, and I just use a little because I only want to leave a small coating on, so I have very little, just enough to coat the outside of the wig, and then I try to work it in on the inside with my fingers. I got a little bit on my hand and fingers, so that's helping me work through and get the conditioner in the inside of the wig. So there we are. And once this process is complete, I kind of give it a good shake, and synthetic wigs tend to dry very quickly. Now I'm going to give it one good shake, and I'm going to clip it with this hair clip in the shower and let it drip dry. All right, so I have the wig dripping dry here in the shower, and as you can see, it was a unit cleaning day. And there you have it. Questions, comments, concerns, please list those below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.